Your wounds, have they healed?
Yeah. After all, it's a full moon tonight.
So why'd you come to this crummy town anyway?
I smell something. A scent of Luna flower. It's here, in the city.
Yeah, I know. My nose can tell when a dog's taking a dump 10 kilometers away.
Yeah, that must have wished stink.
Sure does.
So why do you escape with me?
I don't know. I just felt like it, I guess. Besides, you seem kind of interesting. So what's next? Where are you headed?
To paradise. This in the moonlight is a place.
Paradise, huh? That sounds like fun.
My name is Kiba.